Hi Joe love, this is a video with a couple of special messages from some very special people.
Hi Joe, I just wanted to say a happy birthday from the Evans family. We all hope that you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for everything. You have really helped me with my confidence and really got me out of my shell. And like, I am forever grateful, and thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Joey, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Joe, have an amazing day and I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday Joey, I hope you have a lovely day and hope to see you soon.
Hey Joe, just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you have a really good day and thank you so much for all the help throughout the competition and afterwards. Have a great day.
Hi Joe, I just want to say a massive happy birthday from me and the family. We hope you have the best day imaginable and really enjoy yourself. Don't go getting too drunk. But yeah, we'll hopefully see you very soon. Thank you so much for everything. Yeah.
Hiya Joe, just popping on here to say happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day. Obviously I know how hard you work in the studio. You work like an absolute animal, but please put your feet up. It's your birthday for goodness sake. Hope you have a good day. Lots of love from me and the family.
Say a huge congratulations to Joey for finally passing his driving test. What? Oh, you haven't passed his driving test? So that was a lie. Again. Oh, it's his birthday, right. Let's start again then. Happy birthday, Joel. Hope you're not lying about this now, mind. I haven't gone and bought you a card this time just in case you're lying. Hope you have a lovely day.
Happy birthday, mate. Have a cracking day. Keep up the good work for what you're doing for looking after all this talent in Wales. God bless you, mate. See you soon.
Happy birthday to Joey. Happy birthday to Joey. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Pep. Hooray! Say happy birthday, Joey.
Just want to say a massive happy birthday, Joey. Thank you for everything you've done with my journey in Talent Search Cymru. Don't get too drunk, but hope you have a fab day.
Hiya Joe, just wanted to say a massive happy birthday. Thank you for everything you've done for me, and I hope you have the best day ever.
Happy birthday to the legend that is Joey. Hope you have a fantastic day. You deserve it. Love from the Westerns. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joel. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a lovely, lovely day. Is that good? Hope you have a lovely day. You deserve it. Put your feet up and relax for once in your life. We'll see you soon. Love you loads. Blow kiss. Blow kiss. Good girl.
Hi Joe, I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday and thank you for everything that you've done for me and all the support you've given me. I have loved every second and I just want you to have the best day possible. See you soon.
Hi Jerry, just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Have a fantastic day. Lots of love.
Happy birthday Joel. Have a nice day. See you soon.
Happy birthday Joey. Have a wonderful day. Lots and lots of love from me.
Happy birthday Joe from all of us over here. We've got to shout because Dalton's having a breakdown. You're an amazing person. And you deserve amazing things. Say happy birthday to Joey. Say happy birthday. We'll come and see you in a bit and hope you have an amazing day. Bye.
Happy birthday, dude. I hope today is so special for you. I hope you really, really feel the love today. I love you so much and the kids love you so much, and we are blessed every single day to have you. So today is all about you, and I hope you have the best day ever and you enjoy it. Love you lots.
Hey Joe, yours truly here. Hope you have a day as beautiful, amazing and wondrous as me. Happy birthday, love!
Happy birthday, Joey. I hope you've had a day and gets about rotten. Hope to see you soon. Lots of love.
Hi Joey, happy birthday. I hope you have a good one from Karasan family. We love you loads. Thank you for everything you've done for us. And I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Joe. Hope you have a fantastic time. Thanks for everything.
Hi Joe, so you know I'm absolutely terrible with videos, but I just wanted to quickly say a massive happy birthday. I hope you have a lovely day because you more than deserve it.
Happy birthday, Mr. Blake. Hope you have a lovely day. Loads of gifts, loads of cards.
Happy birthday, Joey. Hope you have an amazing day.
Hey Joey, happy birthday from myself and everybody that goes up work with Feb. You hope you have a fantastic day. Happy birthday.
Hi Joey, it's Star here, and I just wanted to say happy birthday! Have a fantastic day, and yeah, I hope to see you soon. Love from Star.
Quick message, just say happy birthday, Joey boy. As you can see, I'm at my glamorous self in work. Not doing a lot, but yeah, just happy birthday. Have a good day, and wish you all the best. Cheers for everything you've done for myself and loads of others. Cheers, buddy.
Happy birthday, Joey. Hope you have a wonderful day. You really deserve it. Thank you for all your support with Becky over the past God knows how many years. Simply the best. Have a lovely day. Mwah.
Happy birthday, bro. Have a good one.
Hi Joey, just wanted to say happy birthday. Hope you have a lovely day. Thank you for everything you've done for me and for the network. Hope your day is as good as you, and hopefully we'll see you soon.
Hi Joey, happy birthday, have a lovely day.
Hi Joe, just want to say happy birthday. I hope you have the best day possible, and yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joe. Now we all know that you don't like a fuss on your birthday, so this is just a quick message to say have a brilliant day, don't work too hard, even though you probably will, and I'll see you soon. Happy birthday.
Hello Joel, just want to say a big massive happy birthday to you. Thank you for always being there for me, and thank you for being the person that you are.
Hey Joe, just wanted to say a massive happy birthday to you. Hope you have the best day ever, because you truly do deserve it. Thank you for everything you do for absolutely everyone. It never goes unnoticed. So today should be all about you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joey. Hope you have an absolutely amazing day. You are truly living your best life at the moment, so I wish you nothing but success and happiness for the next years to come as well. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Joey. I hope you have the best day ever. Thank you so much for letting me be part of Talent Search Cymru and for all your help and support over the past few months. Can't wait to see what's in the future. Have a lush day. Bye.
Hello Joey, it's Travis here. You remember me, don't you? Of course you do. So sorry that this video is going to be as boring as it is. You know, I wanted to do this big extravaganza thing where I'd get into work and I'd get in the studio and I'd play one of your originals on air and I'd give you a happy birthday message while I was live. Just got back from work. That's not happening now because I wasn't in the studio today, so that's out the window. So you're just gonna have to put up with this. Hope you've had a wonderful birthday, my friend. You are an absolute legend, so you deserve it. I sit here today, a young autistic fellow myself. A good few years ago, the world had pretty much given up on me, and now I sit here today in my council house, still, a professional actor, singer, and radio presenter. And I wouldn't have the ability to follow the opportunities that I have before me if it wasn't for you. If it wasn't for the confidence that Talent Search Cymru and Music Wales or VOTV, all the names that it has, if it wasn't for everything there, turning me into who I am today, I wouldn't be where I am. I wouldn't be in the happy, just unbelievably fantastic position that I'm in now. And Joey, it's thanks to you for starting all this up, for breeding so much confidence into people, for teaching, inspiring and motivating countless people throughout the years. You're getting old, buddy. You're getting old. I'm going to listen to the Coffee song. I'm going to listen to You Look Sexy, you know, the onesie song. Love that. And I'm just going to look back today on all the great memories we've had together, and I hope to see you soon, buddy. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Take care, buddy.
Happy birthday, Joe.
Hello, you. Just wanted to wish you a massive, massive happy birthday. I hope you had the best day ever and have been spoiled rotten as you normally will deserve. Have the most amazing evening and enjoy the rest of your birthday. Love you lots, and I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Uncle Joel.
Happy birthday, Joey. Hope you have an amazing day. We need to get together soon, have a good catch up. Love you lots. See you soon. Mwah.
Hiya Joe, I hope you have a lush day. Thank you for everything you've done for me and continue to do for us all, and I hope you have a very, very nice day, and I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Joey. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm sure you've been spoiled rotten. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, my boy. My £9.2 boy. He's the most wonderful boy, pain in the arse sometimes. Like everybody, I must say that. But happy birthday. All my love in the world.
Happy birthday, Joe. Have the best day ever. I'm sure you will. I'm sure you've been super spoiled as well. So, yeah, I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Joe.
Happy birthday, Joe.
Happy birthday, Joe. A man of many talents, from singing to doing videos to photography to be the fur baby king, to all the dogs. I don't think there's anything that you can't do. Wallpapering, wooden flooring, man of all trades. Anyway, enjoy your special day, but I know you don't always celebrate your birthday, but happy birthday or happy day birth. Hope you've had a good day.
Happy birthday, Uncle Joel.
Happy birthday, Joe.
Happy birthday, Uncle Joe. Hope you have a great time.
Mom.
Right, take two for this little madam. What was you going to say to Uncle Joel?
Happy birthday, Uncle Joel.
Hope you have a great day.
How old are you?
I just want to wish Joel a massive happy birthday for today. Hope you have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joe. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for everything you've done for me and continue to do. I hope you get spoiled. No doubt you will. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday. Unfortunately, I've just finished work. This one is in work, but I just thought I'd just say happy birthday. Well, both of us has gone off again. But anyway, happy birthday. Have a great day. Just one more, Joe.
Happy birthday.
Sally.
Happy birthday, Joey. Hope you have a lovely day.
Happy birthday. I hope this year will be the best year you've ever had. Keep spreading the love you are, spreading the positivity, everything that you do for people like myself. If somebody told me, like years ago, just by joining a competition, just by meeting a person and his whole team, that I was going to be so this much blessed, I wouldn't believe them. Thank you for everything that you've done for us. So much love and respect for you.
As you can see, there's lots of people who wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. We all hope you've had a wonderful day, and we are so very thankful for everything you've done, not just for ourselves personally, but for this massive network and talent based in Wales. We are very proud of you, and we are so excited for for what's to come next for you. We hope you've had a wonderful day, and we all love you from the bottom of our hearts.